All right. So, how is investing in cryptocurrency? How is it taxed? Do you pay taxes? All right. Let's talk about that and share that information today. Hi, I'm Pastor Julian, and on my channel we talk about empowerment as well as entrepreneurship. We want to make sure that you have the information you need to help sustain your business, build your business, expand yourself. All right. And so you want to consider subscribing to this channel and click on the bell for notifications so you'll be notified every time we bring up a new video. Also, if you have questions you want me to answer or research, you can always put those inside of the comments, and I will check those things out and actually answer questions just like I'm talking about this one on today. All right, so I did a video a couple of days ago in regards to investing in cryptocurrency for your business to kind of give that up some leeway. I will put a link to that video inside of this description, but today, what I didn't talk about then, I want to bring up the fact that there is taxes, or there are taxes on cryptocurrency. Again, as I said before, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a tax advisor. I'm a pastor who just wants to empower you, your life, your family, your business, all of that. And so this channel is for that platform. So I want to make sure that is clear. So how is cryptocurrency taxed? Okay, yes, it is taxed. Matter of fact, any investments you're doing as far as trading or whatever, you are taxed on your gains. Okay, so let's say you put $1,000 into this cryptocurrency and crypto craze that's going on, and the hope is that when you put in $1,000 that it will at least 10x or sometimes 100x. What happens? So what happens when you overnight become this millionaire? Overnight you get a 10x, a 100x, and it goes from $1,000 to $100,000. Okay, so you say, okay, he has $100,000, and you decide to take $90,000 of it and take it out or sell it or whatever. You will be taxed on your gains when you pull it out. You will be taxed on your gains when you pull it out, and you'll be taxed just like any other tax bracket. It's considered income to you, and you will be taxed accordingly to that income, and whatever bracket that falls inside of the normal tax bracket for, of course, in the United States, or how we're taxed federally in that way. And I'll put a link into the description that kind of breaks down how taxes are done as far as how much income you make, what bracket you'll be in, so you have reference to that. But remember, if you are having any sufficient gains, any type of gains, even if it's 1,000, you invest 1,000 goes to 2,000, you will be taxed on that $1,000 that comes out of it. So, and so how's it tracked? Well, every time you put something, you create you download an app like Robinhood or Stash or Acorns, or someone using Coinbase or Bitmart or any of these other areas that you're using, you have these certain Trust Wallet. You have these certain steps you have to go through when you're registering. So you use things like your social security number, your address, your driver's license. All these things are there because you will be tracked, and the gains that you make will be tracked. So when you pull that money out of there, you will receive a report on that money that you have gained. You will get access to this report there. It will send it to you. They'll send it to you, or you can get it even before they send you. It's a place where you can get these gains all calculated for you already. So you want to keep in mind that when you make these huge gains, these proper gains that we all want to get into, that you will be taxed accordingly to that. So you want to make sure you have those ducks in a row, and you want to make sure, especially if you're hitting the jackpot and you flying from 1,000, from 2,000 to $1 million, you really want to know and understand that how you will be taxed with that. So I would suggest that you really seek out a good tax professional, a good tax or financial advisor to help you get through those hurdles. Now, when it comes to business and entrepreneurship, as we talk on here, we know that we do receive a lot of write-offs as far as expenses of different things that we do when it comes to building our business infrastructure. So you still have those same opportunities to have those write-offs or whatever here and there, but this is considered income when you're getting this money from these investments. So especially if you are a sole prop or an LLC, and you're the sole LLC owner, and all the money and the responsibility falls on you, you're going to be taxed appropriately with that. So keep that in mind as you grow and as you get into this crypto craze everyone seems to be involved in. Okay, so again, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not a tax professional. I'm just a pastor here who wants to empower you, your family, your business, who believes that you can make it, and you can do well, and you can exceed. So again, subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time we bring up a new video. And go ahead and like this video, share it with someone else, or share it with everyone so they'll be able to see exactly what we're talking about and how this actually affects them for their future. All right, until then, until the next video, you be empowered.